Hello and welcome to the Quantum Manifester. Today, we're not just speaking words, we are architecting our reality. We're building a foundation for unshakable financial freedom. Remember, freedom isn't something you chase on the horizon. It's a power you claim right here, right now. Let's begin by centering ourselves. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, release every single worrying, every doubt, and every fear you hold about money. Feel it all just melt away. In this moment, you are safe. You are supported. You are infinitely abundant. Now, let's activate your power. Repeat these affirmations with me, not just with your voice, but with your entire being. Feel the truth in each word as it resonates through you. I am financially free. I am in complete control of my money and my destiny. Money works for me, multiplying and growing even while I rest. I am free from debt, free from stress, and free from all limitations. Every decision I make brings me closer to profound abundance. I create multiple streams of income with joy and with ease. I am deeply grateful for the wealth that continuously flows to me, supporting my freedom. I choose to live a life filled with balanced joy and ever-expanding prosperity. My financial freedom expands every single day, in every single way. I am a magnet for opportunities that create lasting, generational wealth. I release all fear and resistance around money. I fully trust my ability to create more. I am open to receiving wealth beyond my wildest imagination. Financial freedom is my natural state of being. I am rich in time, rich in peace, and rich in prosperity. Take one more deep, energizing breath in. And as you hold it for a moment, visualize the life you desire. See yourself completely free. What does that look like? Are you traveling the world, giving generously to causes you care about, or simply enjoying the peace of living without any financial constraints? See it, feel it, believe it. That vision is not a distant dream. It is your reality manifesting right now. You are financially free. You are abundant. You are absolutely unstoppable. Feel the energy of this truth settling into your core. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day and watch as the universe rearranges itself to match your new vibration. If you are ready to accelerate your journey and attract a significant financial influx before the end of the month, I have something special for you. Click the link in my profile bio to discover a powerful tool designed to supercharge your manifestation. Thank you for joining me today. Your presence and energy are deeply appreciated. For more powerful affirmations and meditations that unlock wealth and freedom, make sure you subscribe to the Quantum Manifester and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, live in your power.